Hi Ram. So let's start with the installation of first SQL Server and then Visual Studio setup. Okay. So I have all of this under I have created one folder with your name and requirements. In requirements folder, I have these two uh, setups that I have downloaded. So let's go with SQL Server 2019 first. So as you can see, it's so now it's asking us what you want to install, if you want to install basic version, custom version, or this media version. As per my understanding, because we were doing a data warehousing project, so I think basic would be sufficient for us. We do not need to go with the custom or other version, but if we do have need for these versions, then we can discuss in the call later, and we can see how we can install those also. But let's go with the basic one first. Click on this basic one, and these are all the agreements that you will get. I'll click on accept. This is the location. I'll change this location to in my documents, under Upwork, into your folder. Okay, so here I'll install it. So as you can, this is installing. Meanwhile this installs, let me just minimize it. Let's install Visual Studio also. So under the same requirements uh, folder, I have downloaded this Visual Studio setup. So I'll click on it, and as you can see, it will ask for me some permissions. I will give them, and then it will start installing. Let's wait for the installer to uh, you know uh, yeah. Okay, let's click on continue. Let's see the progress of the both. SQL Server is installing, and let's see this one also, it's also installing. Okay, so this is Visual Studio installer page. It will take a couple of minutes to get started, but yeah. Okay, so here we have to make a couple of choices. One, we will install Azure Development SDKs and all the tools required for that. So click on this one. Also click on Python development. As I mostly use Python, so I will click on it. If you use ASP.NET or Node.js, then you can click on those languages. We'll also need data storage and processing. Click on that. And if you want, like, you can click on this GitHub Copilot also. This is AI feature. It helps you with your codes, but for this I will not click on it, because if you have experience with it, like code, but if for the learning purposes, I think we should not click on it, otherwise it will just complete your codes. But if you want it, you can try it out. Then we can just click on install, and this will start installing. And let's check on our SQL Server. So it's almost complete. Okay, let's just wait to you know for these to complete. These might take time because these are some heavy software. So what I'll do, I'll stop this video here, and I'll be back once both of these have been finished installing. Right, thank you.